Texting Factory sounds cool on paper, an online chat operator gig where you work whenever, wherever, and get paid per message, which honestly is a dream if you're the type who likes typing, chatting, or just needs a side hustle that doesn't demand showing your face. The vibe is clearly built for students, single parents, introverts, or anyone who wants flexibility without a boss breathing down their neck. And the site brags big numbers. 25K moderators trained each year, 144K messages daily. And this while 95% acceptance rate, that low-key, makes me wonder if they're letting almost everyone in. The good part, people in their own testimonials say the weekly pay actually hits on time. The schedule is as flexible as they say, and if you grind through enough messages, your hourly rate does stack up decently. One guy literally said more work means more money, which is fair. But here's the catch. They never actually post what you'll earn per message, so you're going blind. And anyone who's ever done these kinds of gigs knows it can end up being pennies unless you type fast and stay consistent. Plus, it's freelance, which means no benefits, no job security, and potentially dealing with topics that aren't glamorous. They keep it vague, but chat moderation often includes adult or dating content. Not everyone's thing. Still, for a single mom juggling time, or a student pulling in extra money between classes, it might be worth it if your expectations are set right. Steady cash flow with no commute and no boss sounds way better than retail shifts or food delivery stress. On the flip side, if you're hoping for full-time stable income, this probably isn't it. It's more like an in-between gig to cover bills, stack a little extra, or test the waters of online freelancing. Scam or no, based on what they show, it doesn't look scammy. They've got structure, stats, and real people talking about it, but the lack of transparency on pay is definitely a yellow flag. So I'd file under legit, but manage your expectations. Worth getting? If you're cool with flexible but unpredictable income and don't mind the possibility of mature chat content, yeah, it's a decent side option. If you need career-level money or stability, probably not. Disclaimer: this is not financial or career advice, just sharing what's out there based on their site.